Hello, digital marketers. Myself, Amadou Kumar, and I am a professional digital marketing trainer. If you are looking forward to hire a trainer who can be a mentor based on your personal requirements and meeting your digital marketing goals, you can apply for my personalized digital marketing courses by visiting amadukumar.com and I will get in touch with you. If you are looking forward to learn digital marketing stuff for free through my YouTube channel, okay, go ahead and search for Amadou Kumar Digital Marketing course and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want regular updates, click onto the bell icon and the notification. Okay, let me come to this point. In this video, I am going to discuss about a technique where you can create 100% unique quality content that is Google friendly and can be indexed, and the content can drive you more visitors to your website. And the technique which I'm going to teach you is going to help you to generate the content that is 100% unique and Google friendly, and you can have your content going live in 5 minutes. It depends. At times when you want to do more of formatting work, it may take more time. Okay, so let me get into the topic here. So the first thing, let me start with the results. Okay, I have a blog that is hosted in blogspot.com for free, where I used to write content manually every time. Okay, so if you look into the statistics which you are seeing right now, as on 24th of Saturday, April, I had only 15 content indexed inside Google. Okay, gradually when I see on 25th of April, I have another 15 content being indexed, I mean the same content. And if I see gradually, some content might be de-indexed, some content might be indexed again. So 16 pages are indexed. Now if I see 15 pages, so one page was de-indexed, 18, okay, and gradually. So till this 1st of June, okay, I used to write content manually whenever I get some time, whenever I feel like I want to write a content, and I do so. Now, I figured out a software that can create content for me like a charm with good quality content, very good reader experience that is Google friendly, and that content can be indexed. And the proof of it is what you are seeing it here right now. Okay, so from 25 valid content, okay, if I go here from June 1st, I started writing the content, and on 13th of June, I have 111 content indexed inside Google. On 16th of June, I have 200 odd content indexed, and 227, then 284, then 358, then 657, and right now it is 939 articles that are indexed inside Google. Okay, remember, within 1 to 1.5 month of period, I could index almost 930 content, and those content are indexed inside Google. Now that is what I am showing to you here. Okay, now the next thing is, how did this content perform in the search engine? Look at this particular report. Okay, people have explored this content and visited this website organically, and if you see from the month of 3rd of June, I received only one click. Okay, and on 5th of June, 16 visitors. On 33, gradually it is increasing, 49 visitors, 55 visitors, 61 visitors, 60, 80 visitors, then 117, and the recent one is 130, 131 visitors. Now there is a gradual growth. Okay, so there is a gradual growth of content being indexed, and there is a gradual growth of visitors increasing. In turn, my AdSense revenue has also increased more than 180 plus percentage. I'm not showing my AdSense revenue here because I'm not supposed to show the AdSense revenue as per AdSense terms and policies. I respect Google's terms. Okay. Now, what did I do? I simply used rewriting software which can write for me within few seconds, and that is how I could do it. Now, which rewriting software did I use? Check out the link in the description which I have given as a rewriting article link, so where you can go ahead and explore the link. Okay. Now, there are several article rewriting tools available in the market. Why I am suggesting a very specific tool? Let us discuss about it. I have shown you the results. Now it means it is working. Now let us see. Okay, I have taken a medical related article. The reason, because As per Google, what they say is the content that is to be written inside a website should be an expert article, which means like there should be a in-depth information and that should be written by a professional. So that is what is expected, because the thin content is not expected by Google. Okay, article that are written, automatically auto-generated content are not welcomed by Google. Any content that does not add value to your visitor is not welcomed by Google. Okay, so now I'm going to copy these two paragraphs of the content and use a article rewriter tool that is already there in the industry. Okay, a article rewriter tool that is already there in the industry, which means lots of people will use this tool, because whenever you go to Google and search for article rewriter tool, this is one of the tool which you will end up seeing it. Okay, I am rewriting this article that is written by a medical related industry. Okay, so let me count down. I think I need to solve this captcha. Okay, so LMJ. Okay, so rewrite the text. So yes, it is giving you the results for me. Now let me read through this content. Remember, this is not the tool which I am suggesting you to go ahead and rewrite your articles. No, that is an exclusive, amazing tool, and I have the tool as a surprise for you. Link in the description. Okay. Now let me read through this article. Okay. Arthroscopic medical procedure contingent upon your physical tissue. Now, when I look at this word of contingent, I'm not comfortable to read it as a medical term. I don't know whether it is a medical term or not. Okay, to the best of my English knowledge, I don't comfortably feel this is a medical term. Okay, so they have used a synonym replacement for this word, and it means depending on your injury. Okay, the doctor may be able to examine and repair. Okay, I think based on depending on, they have used the word contingent upon. So depend, they have used contingent, something like that. Your physical issue, your PCP might have the option to inspect and fix your joint harm. See, there are two words, PCP. Okay, and the word that is used here is your doctor. So instead of doctor, they have used the word PCP. Okay, I don't know what is the word PCP means. Maybe related to your doctor's acquisition. I mean, like the short form, something related to personal doctors or something like that. So they have an option to inspect and fix your joint harm. Now, again, I cannot accept this word harm into this particular one, the reason because joint harm. We generally don't use the word joint harm, right? We use it joint pain, or joint damage, or joint repair or something like that, but not definitely harm. I don't feel comfortable using this synonym in this place. When you go out and see the real terminology that is used, joint damage. So instead of joint damage, okay, so they have used a different synonym. The same way, when you go through this whole article and see, okay, how does this article look like, it is rewritten. If you personally ask me, I'm not comfortable in publishing this article, because this is not adding any value, or this is actually not using the right terms that is to be used inside the medical industry. Okay, now Google can easily understand this is another low quality article and this is not something written by an expert in the industry. Now I'm taking this content and going to a plagiarism checker online. Okay, again I have the tool ready made. Okay, so I'm going here in this plagiarism checker tool online and I'm pasting this content and I'm trying to check, okay, whether this content is plagiarized content or unique content. Okay, so let me check the plagiarism. It is going to tell me how much percentage of the content are copied from somewhere. Remember, in the content writing industry, up to 20% of plagiarism on your content can be accepted. Okay, but beyond that is almost duplicate. Okay, now if you see here, 100% unique. Wow. But the problem here is, it is not about whether the content is unique or plagiarized. It's all about whether this content is readable. Okay, does it add value to the visitors? Is it related to the content whichever we have given as a source content? Okay, so I personally feel few words like PCP, contingent, and embedded, harm. Embedded is basically a computer science term, a technology term. Okay, so maybe insertion, okay, it can be used. Okay, so there is some difference here. At the same time, when you go through the other content also, we can find some words that is not related to medical field. So I strongly believe, if I am the person who wants to publish this content after rewriting, on the quality parameters, I will decline this because I'm not convinced about it. Okay, but just because you want to re-rate a content, you can go out and do it. That is purely your choice. Okay, now why I'm not preferring this one is because Google has got a set of rules on creating content. Okay, don't use automatically generated content. Okay, so we are not using automatically generated content. That a software, I mean, a robot will automatically create a content and publish. It will not add any value. Okay, so participating in link schemes, so there is no original content, or there is only little content. Okay, very little content. Okay, that is not required. So if you see, the content quality guidelines by Google says create content for your visitors and not for the search engine. Okay, that is very important. See, loading pages with irrelevant keywords. Okay, irrelevant. Look at this article. Okay, I strongly believe the word PCP is irrelevant, contingent is irrelevant, harm is irrelevant, embedded is completely irrelevant because this is not related to the medical industry. Okay, so now as per the Google's Webmaster Guidelines, several articles that are rewritten using a free software that is out there in the market is not maintaining any quality guidelines that is friendly with Google. Okay, Google has mentioned make pages primarily for users. So when your users are not comfortable reading your content, please don't create or publish them. Okay, that is not the right way that you need to do it. Okay, so create it for your users. Okay, so having been said all this, okay, I have figured out a software that can help us to rewrite the content in detail like an expert in the industry. Any industry you take, medical industry you take, beauty industry you take, okay, whatever the industry you take, because I have tested it with, tested the software with it, and it works like charm. Okay, it rewrites in such a way that we simply love the content. Okay, if you are very curious about, okay, what this tool is all about, check out the link in the description, guys. You will end up knowing about it. Okay, now I have an online notepad content that is kept open with original source of content and also the content that was rephrased here. Okay, so this is actually the original source of content. Look at here, in the original source of content there are 4 lines, and in the second paragraph there are 3 lines, but in the rewritten content, okay, there are 5 lines, and in the second paragraph there are 4 lines, which means there are some extra terms added inside, which means value addition. Okay, so it is not exactly using the same term just by replacing the synonym, but instead it is actually rephrasing the sentences, okay, from different places and writing it naturally. Okay, so when I go ahead and try to read this article, okay, let me read it for you just to make sure that how about the reader experience and the relevancy of the content. Okay, so arthroscopic surgery is a type of minimally invasive surgery that is used to treat arthritis. Depending on the nature of your injury, it is possible that your doctor will be able to examine and repair joint damage. In the previous article, we had something like joint harm, right? Using a fiber optic camera and a long narrow tools that are inserted through a small incisions in the area around your knee. Inserted. In the previous article rewriter tool which we saw, it used the word called embedded, right? Embedding is different from inserting. Okay, so now inside your knee, so it may be necessary to perform arthroscopy in order to remove loose bodies from your knee joint, remove or repair damaged cartilage, especially if it is causing your knee joint to lock, and reconstruct torn ligaments. Okay, so there are other terms too. Okay, when I read this article, I feel very comfortable as a reader. When I feel that this article is very comfortable related to this medical industry, my visitors also will feel the same. When I feel bad, they will also feel bad. If I'm not convinced, how come my website visitors will be convinced? Now, I have to create content for my visitors with good readability and good engagement with value addition. This tool has perfectly given me this option of value addition. Okay, you can go out and copy this tool and go to the plagiarism checker tools, and let us try to see whether this content is unique or plagiarized. Okay, as I've already said, up to 20% of plagiarism can be accepted in the article writing section. The reason because there are some places where you have to use the exact terms, okay, the phrases where you have to use. For example, the time and tide waits for none cannot be changed, right? So it has to be represented the same way. lots of quotations, lots of quotes need to be used the same way, so there is a possibility of you know plagiarism being occurring. Okay, so when I look here, okay, it is almost 14% plagiarized. Let me see. Okay, 86% unique and 14% plagiarized. Okay, if you want, you can go ahead and remove the plagiarized content and make it 100% unique. That is our choice. Okay, now if you see, it is a unique content, but beyond it is plagiarized or unique, this content is highly readable, related to medical industry, and looks like it is written by an expert. Gentlemen, so if you strongly believe this is going to work out, I strongly suggest you to check out the link in the description that talks about article rewriting tool, and you can explore on using it. Okay, I've been explaining about the whole process with results and my effort, and also where the value addition happens, and you can do the same thing for your website too. Okay, creating content is the biggest challenge. Okay, now when you hire an article content writer, you need to pay them almost 15 to 20,000 rupees every month, and you know what, how much content that they can produce. Now this software with a minimal package of advanced paid package, okay, is around 800 to 900 rupees every month, but it can give you a huge business, whether it is an AdSense program, affiliate marketing, or your business which needs a content strategy. Okay, that is going to help you to increase your content visibility. Okay, more visitors is more revenue, right? So to drive more visitors, we need more content inside our website. Okay, so look at the valid pages that are indexed, and look at the number of visitors that is keep increasing. And the secret is a article rewriter tool, and the name of the tool is there in the description link. Please click on the link and explore about the tool. The free tool offers up to 400 words to be rewritten. Okay, and once you log in or sign up, it allows you up to 700 words to be rewritten. Once you take up the premium version, it allows up to 10,000 characters to be rewritten. Now when I said it takes only 5 minutes to rewrite your articles, now when you have 10,000 character limit to rewrite, you can take any article, put it just like that, and put it on rewrite, and it is going to give you the output. And take it, put it into your website, read through it. If you want to fix something, go ahead and fix it, add something, go ahead and add it, else hit publish and it will go live. Okay, gentlemen, hope you like this video, and share your feedbacks and comments in the description, and share this video to all those friends who are related to digital marketing and content writing. If you are interested in taking more input related to digital marketing for free through my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and enable the bell icon. Okay, I will be back with another video, okay, which is very enthusiastic, exciting, new ideas that can save lots of time and increase your productivity and revenue. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.